This video is an introduction to Flatter files for creators. It assumes that you have watched the video introducing Flatter files for viewers. Creator accounts are limited to the number that you signed up for. Anyone within your organization that creates your important drawings or documents will need a creator account. To get started, I have logged into the web application, and as you can see, there are 2 sample drawings in the library. These are automatically created when you create an account. To upload all of your drawings and documents, it is recommended that you use the Flatter Files Uploader. The Uploader is a desktop application for automatically uploading all of your content to Flatter Files. Before we go into the details of the Uploader application, I'm going to show you many of the features with these 2 sample drawings. These 2 sample drawings have only been uploaded. As the preview shows, there are no revisions to be displayed. To make these drawings accessible, you must submit this latest version as a revision. To do this, I select both drawings by holding the Shift key and then click Check In. I then select this count as the reviewer and submit. A message will now appear stating that the item has been submitted for review. Once the reviewer accepts the revisions, the drawings will be available for viewing. Since this account is the reviewer, I click on Dashboard and 2 notifications appear indicating that I need to review these items. I click to Accept All, such that both revisions are immediately accepted. I return to the drawing library, and the drawings now have an approved revision with an appropriate preview. Now everyone in the organization can view this drawing. I now want to edit a property. To do this, I right-click on the drawing and select Edit. To change a value, I double-click the value and then enter the new value. When finished, I hit Enter and then click Done. The property value has been changed. I now am going to use these 2 sample drawings to create a simple assembly. First, I add a new folder. I double-click on the folder and change the name. To create the assembly, I drag the first item into the folder. This creates the assembly, but it only contains itself. I now add the second item to it by dragging the second drawing onto the assembly. This adds it to the assembly hierarchy. I click on the top assembly and the new hierarchy is shown. Additional items can be added as necessary. Now that the assembly has been created, you can view the assembly by clicking on an item. Both drawings are now grouped together such that a single view displays the entire assembly. The assembly library also shows the new assembly. The Uploader application is the key link to ensuring that all of your drawings and documents stay up to date with minimal effort. After you create an account, you will be given a link to download the application. Once downloaded, you will also be guided through a quick installation. I have already downloaded and installed the application. I now log into the Uploader application using my Flatter Files credentials. Since this is the first time I have logged into the Uploader application, I am guided through the configuration process. Configuration is relatively simple. First, I must select the location of a folder where my content exists. All subfolders within the folder selected will also be included unless the folder is marked as old versions. I then select that this folder contains drawings, and I select that this folder contains inventor files. To upload any file format other than PDF, this computer must contain the appropriate program needed to access the file type. Now that the folder has been configured, I add it by selecting Add Folder. I will now add another folder by clicking Add. I browse to a new location and configure the folder. This folder will be a document folder, and it contains Word documents. Now that my 2 folders have been added, I click Next. I must now select when to perform the uploads. There are 3 options. You can constantly upload the changes as they occur. This is not recommended if you are planning to use this computer for other things. The second option is to upload it on a schedule. The last solution is to only perform an upload when Start Upload is manually selected. This is the method I will select. The application is now ready to begin uploading your content. The application sits in your taskbar. By clicking on the icon, the menu is displayed. From this menu, I will begin the upload process by clicking Start Upload. During an upload, messages are generated to keep you up to date on the status of the upload. I can view recent messages in the menu, or I can click All Messages, which results in a new window that displays all of the messages. This window automatically shows the messages as they are created. As you can see, the uploader tells you how many items are remaining after each item has been uploaded. Since this is the first upload, every item must be uploaded. On subsequent uploads, only changes that have occurred since the last upload will be uploaded. Now that the upload is complete, I will return to the web application to view the uploaded items. I first click Refresh to retrieve the updates. As you can see, many items have been added to the library. I will check in all of the items that were uploaded. An easy way to quickly locate all of the items that are checked out is to enter the query checkedout:"yes." Then I right-click and click Select All. Now I will check in all of these items and accept all of the reviews. I then repeat this process for the documents that were uploaded. As you can see, the documents have been checked in. The uploader application also automatically created 2 assemblies. These assembly hierarchies were uploaded based on the model structure contained within the inventor drawings. Currently, assembly hierarchies are automatically created for both Inventor and SOLIDWORKS files. The uploader application is used to constantly keep all of your drawings and documents up to date as you make revisions. When you first start working on a revision, it is not required, but it is suggested that you first check the drawing out. This can be completed using the web application, or it can be done from within the uploader application. I first display the uploader menu and then click Check Out. I select the item that I plan on revising and then select Check Out. Now that the item is checked out, I make a change to the drawing. Now that the modification has been made, I save the drawing. To upload this change, I can perform a full upload as shown before by clicking Start Upload. If making changes to many drawings, then this is the preferred way. But if this is the only drawing, then using the uploader application, I can simply check the drawing in. I then select the reviewer and click Check In. If the new version has yet to be uploaded, then it will be uploaded right now. When finished, a message appears that the item was submitted for review. Returning to the web application, I first click Refresh to update the library. As you can see, the item that was revised is now marked as being reviewed. I click Dashboard and accept Revision 1 for the item. The item has now been updated with the latest revision. I double-click the item in the library and the new version is loaded. I then click on the highlight button and the highlighted version is displayed. As you can see, the dimension that was added is highlighted. I then click the previous button and the previous revision is loaded into the viewer. This provides convenient access for comparison purposes. This video has shown the basics for creators using Flutter files. In this video, I checked in the sample drawings, I manually created an assembly using the sample drawings, I uploaded items using the Uploader app, and I created and uploaded a revision. For more information about Flutter files, please visit flutterfiles.com.